Okay, here we are, another day. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Today for our drawing picture, we are going to make a turtle. Has anybody ever seen a turtle? I remember swimming in the ocean once and one swam right past me. It was very exciting. So I have my piece of paper. So get yourself a piece of paper. It can be any size. I've got my pen that I'm using again today. You can use a marker or a pen like this. Maybe your parents don't want to give you a pen like this or a pencil. We're going to start off to do our turtle by making a rainbow shape, okay? So I'm going to draw a rainbow shape from here to here. I'm not going to go all the way across my paper. I'm just kind of going to go to the middle and draw a rainbow shape like this. There. Did you guys draw a rainbow shape too? Nice. Then I'm going to do another line from this corner to this corner, and it's going to be a little bit of a curve, not completely flat, but a little bit of a curve, but not a big rainbow like the top one, okay? So we're just going to do kind of like a tiny little curve from this side to this side. So that makes the shape of our turtle shell. Then we're going to give our turtle some little legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a kind of turtle that will be able to walk on the land. There's different kinds of turtles and tortoises. Then we need to give our turtle a head. So we're going to come to one side. You can do it this side or this side. It's up to you. And we're going to make a little head shape. Just like that. Almost looks like a teardrop. We're going to give our turtle an eye. And a big old happy smile because our turtle's so happy because the sun is shining today. Then we're going to give our turtle a tail. So the tail would be on the opposite end. So if your head is on this side, your tail is going to be on this side. If you did your head this side, your tail will be on this side. Now we want to make our turtle shell look like a shell. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to draw some lines. The first line we're going to draw is right down the middle. Then we're going to draw a line from the top point here down to the middle of the line, the middle of this line. So from this point to this point, just like this. Okay, then we're going to do the same on the other side from the top here where we're joined up with these lines to the middle point of these two lines. So find the middle. You're going to draw from here down to here. And then we're going to do a happy smile from here to here. Whoop, just like that. Now we're going to do another happy smile a little bit lower, from here to here. There, and so now it looks like we have a turtle shell. So then you can go ahead and color your turtle in. I'm going to use my green marker, because most turtles are some kind of green or brown color. But you know what? You could do your turtle any color. I don't care what color you do it. It's just fun to color, right? And also, if you wanted, you could do each part of the shell a different color. That might be really fun as well. You could color each part of the shell separately, or you could do it together, kind of like I'm doing. I'm just doing mine super fast here, because you guys are watching. I don't want to take too long. And I've got a big thick marker that helps me color in super fast. And then I'm going to take my different color green, and I'm going to do, oh wait, that's not green. Is it? No, that's black. I'm going to take a different color green, and I'm going to do his legs. Let's see what color this is. It's not much different. Maybe I'll take a really light color. Here we go. And I'll do his legs and his tail, and his other leg, and then his little face. Go around his eye. There. Now, you may wish to do more on your picture. You might want to draw some, he might want to be, this turtle might be walking across some grass on the way to a lake, or it might be in the lake. You might want to draw some reeds that's showing it's in the water. You might want to draw some water behind it. I can't wait to see what your pictures look like. So, draw a picture of a turtle, do some other picture around it if you want to, and post it on the Facebook page, and let's have a look. Can't wait to see them.